Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the clip closely so you know what to fix and why. Look at the spring, hinge, and teeth. Once you see whether the spring is loose, bent, or missing, collect small pliers, a tiny screwdriver, and a replacement spring or a drop of jeweler's epoxy. Make sure to work over a towel to prevent losing screws. This first step sets the stage for precise repairs and avoids wasting time on wrong fixes. Next, you address the mechanism itself. If the spring is bent, use pliers to reshape it gently. If it's broken, remove it and install a same-size replacement. Once the coil is positioned, seat each end into its hinge slot so tension returns. This is what creates the clip's grip. If screws are loose, tighten carefully. If fittings are cracked, apply a tiny bead of jeweler's epoxy and clamp briefly. Make sure moving parts remain free and aligned while the fix sets. Finally, you complete and validate the repair. Let any glue cure fully, then test the clip by opening and closing it 10-15 times to seat the spring and confirm alignment. If the teeth don't meet evenly or the grip feels weak, recheck spring tension and hinge seating. Small reshaping with pliers can improve contact. If problems persist, replace the entire clasp assembly or the clip. This troubleshooting step saves time versus repeated partial fixes when parts are irreparably worn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.